Let's do the big reveal. Now that's some nice gold. Well, as much as I love gold, I also love gadgets. And today, I'll give you a bit of a look at something that has absolutely transformed the way that I look at gold. So, we'll get to that. But first, I can't get down to the creek for a little while. Life being what life is. So, the gold has come to me. But also in this episode, I'm going to be showing you the difference between the trusty Garrett Super Sluice and a pan that might look really quite similar, the Garrett Gold Trap. Now, white dog prospecting. I've done a review on their Paydirt before. Are you meant to look like this after panning this stuff out? And what I found then was that they were very generous with their gold, and their gold was absolutely fantastic. A lot of it comes from the goldfields of WA. They do some pretty serious detecting out there.
Morning, how are we doing this morning? Here we go this morning, opening up a cut here. And
it's a world away from sitting in your backyard. Not all of us can afford to get out to the goldfields of WA, and I'm happy to support businesses like this. And they just give me a little bit of a taste of what real prospecting in the outback is like. Interesting looking things in there. Looks like some little opal chips. Okay. Important to go through this stuff, isn't it? You see that? Okay. All right. I'll go through this later. So this Paydirt is almost back to front, what you'd normally get in a Paydirt packet. Normally, if you put stuff through the strainer, that's where you're going to find the fine gold, because most Paydirt vendors just sell fine gold. This white dog Paydirt is back to front. hardly anything in the fine gold. Mostly pickers in the stuff that couldn't fit through the strainer. Just how I like to see gold. This is the stuff that's gone through the strainer, so yeah, there might be a few little pieces in there, but I'd actually expect that most of the good stuff is going to be over in this lot. I can see some very fine gold in there. Not so much. Not much in there at all. All sorts of interesting little goodies. Looks like the Loch Ness Monster. Hello. Nessie, you shall be called Nessie. All right, so I've got the good stuff here. This is the stuff that didn't go through the kitchen strainer. And this is where the bulk of my gold is going to be. So let's pan this out, because this is going to be good. Let's do the big reveal. Now that's some nice gold. The Garrett Super Sluice is my go-to pan down on the creek. Particularly if I've got to churn through a lot of unclassified material. If I don't have space or the time or the energy to take a classifier with me, well, the Super Sluice pretty much does it all. It's really deep. It can handle really quite aggressive panning. But that's out on the creek. When I get home, things are slightly different. All right, let's do a little test with this Gold Trap pan. Now, the Gold Trap pan has this quite distinct little ridge down the bottom there. And that's meant to trap the gold, as the name suggests. So we know we've got this gold in here. We've still got a little bit of material. Let's just mix it up. Now pretend that we're just panning this off at the creek. Let's just see how well that ridge does at trapping the gold. And see if I can keep all the gold in the bottom of that pan. Keep shaking it around every once in a while just to make sure it's all sitting where I want it to be sitting. Now, you'd be pretty happy if you ever had a pan like that out on the creek. But the Gold Trap did what it's meant to do. That ridge is really stopping the heavy material from floating over when I'm panning off. There you go. That's pretty easy cleanup. So if you've ever wondered how the Garrett Gold Trap pan is different from the other ones, Well, there you go. It's very good for cleanups, particularly with this larger stuff, but it also works with the finer gold as well. So I'm going to dry this up now and see how we went. But then that's not the end of the story, because I've got to show you my new gadget, and it will change the way you look at gold forever. This thing is amazing. I want to show you something that's really cool. Have a look at this. Now, I just picked this up on Amazon, and it is a 200 times magnifying lens that just clips on your smartphone. And it is super cool. It's adjustable like this, spring clamp. Line it up over your main lens. It clips in and you're ready to go. Press this button and now you've got a light source. Check this out. Now let's have a look at some of the gold, including Nessie, that we found today, and also some of the other goodies that were in that bag.